rain pours down, I walk alone. City streets, my heart like stone. Raindrops whisper love untold. Lost in shadows, feeling cold. In the rain, I found your eyes, breaking through dark, cloudy skies. Your warmth in storm, a sweet surprise. Love blooms bright where sorrow lies. Puddles splash beneath our feet, echoes of the life we need. Hand in hand we face the storm, hearts collide and feelings form. In the rain I found your eyes, breaking through dark cloudy skies. Your warmth in storm, a sweet surprise. Love blooms bright where sorrow lies. Thunder rumbles, secrets shared, lightning truth that leaves us bare. In your arms the storm subsides, pain dissolves, love now abides. In the rain I found your eyes, breaking through dark cloudy skies.